Vianden Castle, one of the most beautiful and impressive castles in Europe, which delights with its majestic setting, excellent state of preservation and history. Vianden Castle is a real magnet for visitors, being one of the biggest and most beautiful feudal residences from the Romanesque and Gothic periods. The castle was built between the 11th and 14th century on the foundations of a Roman castle and a Carolingian refuge, and for a long time belonged to the Grand Ducal family, before passing into state ownership in 1977. Since then it has been restored to all its former glory. Today, Vianden Castle is one of Europe's leading historical monuments. There is a modern, interactive visitor center in the entrance area. The medieval festival in summer has become an annual highlight at Vianden Castle. During this time, visitors can discover a colorful medieval animation with battle demonstrations, musicians, fire artists, jugglers, minstrels, bird of prey displays, calligraphy demonstrations, and much more. The many rooms of the castle can be explored by guests, many of which have been meticulously restored to their former splendor. The chapel, the armory, the Great Hall, and the Knight's Chamber, which houses a collection of antiquated weaponry and armor, are among the highlights. In addition, The castle has a number of turrets and walls that provide stunning views of the surrounding countryside, including the Aar River and the small village of Vianden. The tops of the towers are accessible for panoramic views, and visitors can also stroll along the ramparts to take in the vista. Vianden Castle is not only known for its historical significance but also for its breathtaking vistas.